Today we start the second chapter, that is polynomial. Before we start, we discuss about some terms which are related to polynomials. First one, constant. A symbol which has fixed numerical value is called constant. So this symbol has a fixed numerical value, that is 2. So 2 is a constant. Pi, the symbol pi is also constant because pi has a fixed value, that is 22 upon 7. So the symbol pi is a constant. Next, variables. A symbol which has no fixed value, which can take any value is called variable. Suppose circumference, we know that circumference is equal to 2 pi r. In this expression, the symbol 2 has a fixed value, pi also has a fixed value. So 2 and pi are constant, but in a circle, different circle has different radius. So radius takes different values. So r is a variable. For different value of r, we get different circumference. So c takes different values. So in this expression, r and c are variables and 2, 5 are constant. So generally we write a variable by English alphabet, that is A, B, X, Y and so on. Next, algebraic expression. The combination of constant variable, this is a combination of constant and variable. This is also another combination of constant variable. Connected by plus, या minus, या multiplication, या divides. So the combination of constant variable connected by some operation या all the operation, that is plus, minus, multiplication, division, is called algebraic expression. So the combination of constant variable connected with any 4 fundamental operation या all the fundamental operation is called algebraic expression. So this is an algebraic expression. Next, terms of an algebraic expression. Suppose 2x square minus 3y square plus 7x 2. This is an algebraic expression because this is the combination of constant and variable connected with 4 fundamental operations. So this algebraic expression has how many parts? 1, 2, 3, 4. So this algebraic expression has different parts, and any 2 parts are connected plus, minus and so on. So the terms of an algebraic expression, the several parts of an algebraic expression separated by either plus or minus is called terms of an algebraic expression. So in this algebraic expression, there are 1, 2, 3, 4 terms. First and second are separated by minus, second and third separated by plus, but third and fourth separated by multiply symbol. So this is the one term, this is single term, because these two terms is not separated by plus and minus. So these two parts separated by plus and minus. So this is a term, this is also another term, this is also a term. So there are four parts, but there are three different terms, because three parts are separated by plus and minus only. Then this is an algebraic expression which has three different terms. So the terms of an algebraic expression is the several part of the algebraic expression separated by plus and minus only. Next we know the definition of polynomials. Polynomials in one variable, an expression of the form of a0, a1x plus a2x square plus dot 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 plus a n minus 1 x to the power n minus 1 plus a x to the power n minus 1, where a0, a1, a2 dot dot an are real numbers and an not equal to 0. And what is n? N is a non-negative integers. Then it is called polynomial in x of degree n. So, and when an expression is in the form of a0, a1, a0, a1, a2 are all real numbers and n is non-negative integers, then it is called a polynomial in x of degree n. So, the value of a0, a1 are real numbers. We generally denote a polynomial as px, fx, gx and so on. P of x means the polynomial in x, matlab x is the variable. So suppose 2x cube minus root 3 x square minus so this is an example of polynomial in x of degree 3. We have look at if an equal to 0, then the degree of polynomial less than n minus 1, because if a is 0, then this part becomes 0, so the polynomial becomes the degree of n minus 1. Degree of polynomial decrease to n minus 1. So that's why an is not equal to 0. So for example, px is a polynomial of degree 3 because the highest power of variable is 3. So look at a0, a1, a2, all are real number. Real number means it contains rational value or irrational values, and all the power of variable, look at power of variable is non-negative integers. If the power of variable is negative integer, then it never be a polynomial. So in polynomial, power must be non-negative integer. That is, power takes the value 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. If the power becomes negative integer or fraction or any other number, then it is not a polynomial. So when we check the given algebraic expression is a polynomial or not, first is notice that the power of variable non-negative integer or not. If the power of all the variable are non-negative integer, then the algebraic expression becomes polynomial, otherwise no. Standard form of a polynomial. When a polynomial is called, it is in standard form. If a polynomial in x express either in ascending power of x or descending power of x. When a polynomial in x expressed as ascending power of x or descending power of x is called standard form of a polynomial. Suppose px is a polynomial in x, या fy is a polynomial in y. This is a polynomial in x and degree 3 because the highest power of unknown variable is 3. So when a polynomial in x either is ascending power of x, descending power of x, ascending power of x, suppose by is a polynomial in y, 5 2 plus 3y plus 7 y square plus 4 upon 3 y cube minus root 7 y power 4. So when a polynomial in x either in ascending order, ascending power of y or descending power of x is called standard form of a polynomial. So when we write standard form of a polynomial, we can arrange the various power of x as ascending order or descending order. In first polynomial, x in this first polynomial, power of x are in descending order, but in second polynomial, power of y are in ascending order. Polynomials of various degree. According to degree, polynomials are divided in several parts. First one, linear polynomial. A polynomial of degree 1 is called linear polynomial. For example, fx is a polynomial in x of degree 1, ax plus b. The highest power of unknown variable x is 1. So this is a polynomial, this is a linear polynomial because the power of unknown variable is 1. So a polynomial of degree 1 is called linear polynomials. And the standard form of linear polynomial is fx is equal to ax plus b, where a must be not equal to 0 and a, b are constant. If a equal to 0, then this part becomes 0. So this will be the degree of the given polynomial will be 0. So in linear polynomial, a must be not equal to 0. For example, 2x plus 3 is a linear polynomial. 5x is a linear polynomial. Next, quadratic polynomials. A polynomial of degree 2 is called quadratic polynomials. So a quadratic polynomial can be written as px is equal to ax square plus bx plus c. A, b, c are constant and a must be not equal to 0. So a polynomial of degree 2 is called quadratic polynomial. For example, 2x square plus 5x minus 2 is a quadratic polynomial. Next one, cubic polynomials. A polynomial of degree 3 is called cubic polynomial, and cubic polynomial can be written as the standard form of cubic polynomial is ax cubed plus bx square plus cx plus d, where a, b, c and d are constant and a not is equal to 0. So this is a cubic polynomial because the degree of the given polynomial is 3. For example, 5x cubed minus 2x plus 7 is a cubic polynomial because the degree of the polynomial is 3. Next, biquadratic polynomial. A polynomial of degree 4 is called biquadratic polynomial, and the standard form of biquadratic polynomial is y. 4x to the power 4 plus b a y to the 4 plus b y cube plus c y square plus dy plus e, where a, b, c, d and e are constant and a not is equal to 0. The example of quadratic polynomial is root 7 x to the power 4 minus 3 x cubed minus 7 x square minus 2x minus 9 is an example of biquadratic polynomial. When the degree of a polynomial more than 4, then it will be called the polynomial in any variable x of degree 5, of degree 6 and so on. If the degree of a polynomial is 100, then it will be called a polynomial in x of degree 100. According to the number of terms, polynomials can be divided in several parts. First one, monomials. A polynomial has a single term is called monomial. If a polynomial has a one term is called monomial. That is, suppose 5x square, 2, minus root 3x, all are monomial because each polynomial has single term. If the number of terms is 2, then the polynomial is called binomial. For example, 2x plus 3 is a binomial because it has two terms. 7x cubed plus 3x is also a binomial. Next, trinomial. If a polynomial has 3 terms, then it is called trinomial. The example of trinomial is 7x cubed minus plus 3x minus 7. It has 3 different terms, so it is trinomial. Constant polynomial. A polynomial containing single term and consisting a non-zero real number is called constant polynomial. That is, in constant polynomial there is no variable. So a constant polynomial containing a single term, and this term will be non-zero real numbers. For example, 2. This polynomial has a single term and the term is constant number, non-zero constant number. Similarly, minus 7 is a constant polynomial. Under root 3 is also a constant polynomial. Next, zero polynomial. A polynomial consisting one term, namely 0, is called zero polynomial. If a polynomial consists a single term and that is 0, then the polynomial is called zero polynomial. In constant polynomial contains single term and in zero polynomial contains single term. But in constant polynomial, the constant term consists any real number excluding 0. So every number is a constant polynomial and the degree of a constant polynomial is always 0. But the degree of zero polynomial does not exist.